Sorry, teacher, I'm a bit late.
What did you do? Did you eat?
I eat and drink.
Medicine?
Yeah.
Oh, you're still drinking medicine, which means you are not totally fine yet, Lam. So how are you feeling now? A lot better?
Yeah.
Okay, that is good to know. What did you eat for breakfast, Lam?
Uh, I eat. I don't know how to call it in English.
Oh, you don't have to say it in English, Lam. Just tell me the Vietnamese term. Maybe I'm familiar with it. Is it pho,
Bone
bap,
wheat.
banh mi? Oh, okay. So it's a
Bone
different,
wheat. Banh mi.
not banh mi. Okay, so it is a different one. Banh Viet. Okay, I haven't seen what that looks yet. Okay, so now let me share my screen. Lam, I hope you are happy and full now. Okay, so let me share my screen and let me. Okay, so it is. You sent me your homework last night and it is in here. Why is it like this? It's blurry, Lam. It's blurry, right?
It's a bit small.
Yeah, it is. Wait. I will refer to my phone, Lam, and let's just have this one. Okay, so now your answer for the first one is I always listen. Okay, that is correct. Listen to music in the morning. We have, okay, very good. We have Kate and Cynthia. Oh, in here you answered likes. Why did you answer likes? Can you explain your answer, Lam? Kate
Because I
and
just see, like
Cynthia.
you said, just like
Hmm.
you said, she, oh,
Okay. He, she, it. Yes, we have she here, Lam, if it's only Kate or if it's only Cynthia. But we have Kate and Cynthia. That is what makes it they. Okay, so we will not
yeah.
add S. We will use the base form, right? So Kate and Cynthia like that TV show. They like that TV show. Okay?
Yeah.
Next one, I never watch. Very good. We want. Okay, well done, Lam. She likes. Okay, so just like in here, you added S. Okay, she likes black t-shirts. Seven, my sister has. Why did you say my sister has? For have, Lam, you will not change its form. You would only use have or has. But in here we have my sister. Okay, so what are we going to use? Have or has?
Yes.
Okay, yes, it is. Has, not haves. Okay. So my sister has a new pair of jeans. Now he needs, very good, this is correct. He needs a new uniform. My brother likes, great job. Okay, my brother likes to go shopping at the mall and Ernest to plays. Okay, there you have it, Lam. Don't be confused, Lam, when we have two two names here, like for example, Kate and Cynthia. We will not consider that as one name. That's why we have here Anne, okay? Cynthia, Kate and Cynthia. So two subjects, which means we will use the base form. Like, not likes. We will not add S nor ES. Okay, so in here, Lam, you got. Okay. I never. Okay, so you got 8 over 10. Okay, now let us check your answer for the second one. I don't watch movies on Netflix. Okay, very good. I don't watch. Now, we don't like to eat at restaurants in this city. Very good. They don't work every day. Paula and Luis Oh, now here is the problem. We have here Paula and Luis Lam. So what are we going to use in present simple tense? Is it don't or doesn't?
Uh,
Mhm.
don't.
Okay, yes, it is don't, but in your answer, Lam, it's doesn't. It's doesn't. See, your answer here is don't, Lam, but you cross it out and you change it to doesn't. So you said Paula and Luis doesn't listen to rock music. It should be don't listen because we have Paula and Luis. Two subjects here, Lam. For two subjects or more, we will use don't. Never use doesn't if we have two or more subjects. Okay, now it's Paula, don't. Okay, don't listen. Okay, now for 15, we don't have. Okay, this one is correct. 16, she doesn't have. Ooh, interesting, Lam. Okay, see, I told you last time that for he, she, it, we will use has. Okay, wait. I, you, we, and they, we will use have. For he, she, and it, we will use has, right? But in here, Lam, since we have a negative form or with the presence of do, does, and did, I told you last time that with the presence of do, does, and did, we will use the base form no matter what its subject is. Okay, so in here, it should be she doesn't have, not she doesn't has. Okay, she doesn't have
Has.
English classes on Sunday. Okay? When we have do, does, and did, lam, may it be he, she, it, that is our subject, we will always use have. Okay? Always use have if we have do, does, and did. Okay?
Yeah.
So, in here, it's she doesn't have English classes on Sunday. Not doesn't has. Okay, now 17. Emily doesn't. It's still the same. Lam, you answered doesn't has. You answered it correctly. It should be doesn't, but not has, but have. Because we have the presence of doesn't or does. Okay, so doesn't. Okay, or Emily doesn't do her homework at night. Okay, now for 18, he. Okay, can you tell me your answer here, Lam? Because you answer he don't go. He. Our subject is he. What are we going to use? Don't or doesn't?
Don't.
Why is it don't, Lam?
Doesn't.
Okay, yes, it should be doesn't. It's because our subject again it's he, right? So it should be he doesn't go. Okay, he doesn't go to the supermarket on the weekend. Now for 19, Manuel.
Manuel doesn't.
Okay, yes, it doesn't lang. You answered still don't. Okay, so Manuel doesn't. like to eat sushi here. And the last one, my sister. My sister, you said my sister, not exercise. Exercise is correct, but what are we going to use? Doesn't or don't?
doesn't.
Okay, it should be doesn't exercise lang. Again, let us have a quick review. Wait, let me give you your score for this one. Okay, so 6. Okay, so in here, Lam, you only got 4 points, and that is totally fine. Okay, more learnings to have, Lam. Okay, so again, can you tell me what are we going to use, Lam, if our subject is only one? What are we going to use? Is it has or have? If we only have one subject, if it's just you, if it's just
The
Lam.
don't has just has.
Okay, yes, very good. What about if we have two or more? Like, for example, Lam and Mia. Lam and Mia. Are we going
Uh,
to use has or have?
have.
Okay, very good. Now, for subjects, I, you, we, they, Lam, are we going to use do or does? I, you, we, they.
Does.
Why is it does? It's do, right? Because these are plural subjects, Lam. I, you, we, and they. We will use do. Okay, do. Okay, now what about for he, she, and it? Yes, Lam.
Uh,
He, she, and it. It's do or does.
does.
Okay, yes, it is. Does. Very good. Okay, so now since we're done with that one, let us go to your book. Okay, so now we'll have present continuous Islam. Okay, so the other one that we have talked about last time, that was present tense. Okay, present tense. It means, Lam, those are the things that we do every day. Okay, we do every day. It could be our routine. Okay,
Yeah.
however, now, Lam, we will be talking about present continuous tense. Okay, so in here, Lam, we are going to use present continuous to talk about things in progress now or around now, which means present continuous, it is happening right now, Lam. Like, if I'd ask you, what are you doing, Lam? What are you doing?
I am learning.
Okay, yes, I am learning. Okay, so I am learning. So in here, Lam, as you can see, we have and after it, we are going to add the ing form. Okay, which is what we call gerund. I am learning. So now still we have affirmative and negative. Can you tell me again what is affirmative, Lam? What is affirmative? We have talked about this one last time. What is affirmative?
I forgot.
Okay, so these are positive sentences, Lam. Okay, so when we say negative, of course, that is negative. We know it is negative if it has not. Okay, like for example, I am not going, I am not listening. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, Lam, let us have this one. Okay, can you read these sentences?
Uh,
Can you read it, Lam?
yes.
Where?
Where,
Here.
uh, what is where's where teacher? I don't see it.
Here. Here.
We're having an English lesson. I am reading about the present oh,
Okay, yes. Now we're having an English class lesson right now, and we are reading about the present continuous. Okay, so again, present continuous, Lam, it is happening now. Okay, right now, Lam, or around now. So again, we have here affirmative, we have here their long form and a short form. So when we say long form, it would be I am going. But for the short form, it would be, can you read it, Lam? Let us take turns. I will read the long form and you will read the short form. Okay, long form, I am going. What is the short form, Lam? What is the
and
short form?
I'm going.
You are going. What is the short form of you are going?
Uh, I'm going.
Okay, so you're going. Okay, you're going. Now he is going. What is the short form?
The short form is
Yeah, what is the short form?
you're going.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now she is going. What is the short form?
Uh, she's going.
What about it is going?
It's going.
What about we are going? She. What about we are going? Lam, what is the short form of it?
Uh, uh, you're going.
We are going, Lam. We are going.
Hmm. They're going. We're
Okay.
going.
What about they are going?
They are going.
Okay, now let us talk about the negative form, Lam. Okay, so for the long form, I'm not
Because I
going.
didn't see it.
Okay, so for the long form, Lam, when it comes to negative, you will know that the sentence is negative if it has not. Okay, not. Now let
Yeah.
us start, Lam. I am not going. What is the short form?
I I am not.
That is the long form. What about the short form, Lam? What is the short form?
Uh, the short form.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
What is the short form?
it's so
You
hard.
are not going. You are not going.
You are not going.
It's you aren't going, Lam. You aren't going. Now he is not going.
Uh,
He is not going. What is the negative form? It's he.
he's not going.
That is the long form. What about the short form, Lam? Short form.
Short form.
Yeah, short form. It's
Uh, it's so hard.
okay. So why is it hard, Lam? All you have to do is to read it. It's on the screen now.
Hmm. You're going.
Okay, it's he isn't going, Lam. He isn't going. You have to erase O and add apostrophe. Okay, now she is not going.
She is not going.
Sh- She is not going. That is the long form, Lam. What about the short form?
She is not going.
Isn't, Lam. Isn't going.
She is going.
Okay, yeah. She isn't going. Now, it is not going. It is not going.
It is not going. It is not going.
It isn't going, Lam. It isn't going. It isn't going.
Going.
Okay. Now, we are not going. What is the short form of we are not going?
We are not going, so
What is the short form? What is the short form?
form is uh hmm,
We are not going. Here is the short form, Lam. All you have to do is to read it. What makes it difficult, Lam?
we are not going.
It's not we are not going, Lam. When you say we are not going, that is the long form. I'm asking
We
you to
are
read the short form. Okay, it's aren't. Okay, we aren't going. Now you are not going. You are not going.
you are
What
not
is
going.
what is the
Hmm,
short form, Lam? Short form of you are not going.
you are not going.
Yes, you are not going. What is the short form?
You're not going.
What is the short form?
You're not going.
No, it's you aren't, Lam.
You
Aren't. When you say you are not, Lam, that is the long form. You did not change any. It has to be aren't. See, it's different. Are not, aren't. Are not, that is the long form. When we say short form, it's aren't. Aren't. We remove O and change it to apostrophe. Okay, now they are not going. They are not going.
they are not going. They are not
Yes.
going.
What is the short form?
They are not going.
They
They
aren't
are not
going.
going to. Is it
No,
they are
it's
not
aren't,
going?
Lam. Aren't. Aren't. Can you read these words, Lam? Can you read these words?
Orange isn't.
See, you know how to read it, Lam. Okay, so that is how you should read it when you are asked about the short form, Lam. Not is not. It should be isn't if you are asked about the short form. Because when we say is not, that is the long form. So is or not. Okay, now let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so in here, I want you to complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in brackets. Okay, like for example, in here, what is she doing? What are you doing? I'm drinking. I'm drinking. Now, can you tell me what are they doing?
There. Uh,
What is your
I'm
answer for tulang?
I'm thinking so. Uh,
What are they doing? You have to answer my question, Lam. What are they doing? Look at the picture. We have not sleep. So it would be, remember, this is not present tense, okay? This is present continuous now.
continuous.
Yes, Lam. What are they doing? They
They. Hmm.
What is your answer,
They not
Lam?
sleeping.
Okay, they, not they not, okay? They are not sleeping. Okay? Wait, let me write it for you. They are, they aren't sleeping. Okay, what about in here? You,
You you aren't study.
okay, you aren't. Why is it study, Lam? It's present continuous. You aren't.
You aren't studying.
Okay, yes, you aren't studying. Next one,
We have fun.
we, it's not we have
Have
fun, Lam. We is or are. We, it's we.
we have fun.
We are.
Having fun.
Okay, yes, we are having fun. In here, Lam, remember to add is, are, or am, and then plus ing. Okay, so I am drinking. They aren't sleeping. You aren't studying. We are having fun. What about in here? What's he doing? What is he doing,
He
Lam?
not dancing.
Okay, he is not dancing. He is, or we can say he isn't dancing. Okay,
He
now
isn't dancing.
it, it, what is the answer here?
It's raining.
Okay, it is raining. Remember that, Lam. It is raining. Okay, so now since we're done with this one, let us proceed to another one. So in here, Lam, use the verbs in brackets to say what the person is doing. So like for example, he's drawing. He isn't drawing, he's writing. Okay, now what about in here? See in here, not drawing because we have here in the bracket writing. Okay, he isn't drawing, he is writing. What about for one? What is your
Is
answer?
he
She.
eating and drinking?
It's not she's eating and drinking, lamb. It's she isn't. Okay, just like the first one. The given sentence here is he is drawing, right? He's drawing. But he is not drawing, lamb. In the brackets, it tells us what the person really is doing, which is right. So it should be he isn't drawing, he's writing. Okay, now what about for number one?
Uh, he isn't drinking. He's writing.
She isn't eating, lamb. She isn't
She's
eating.
drinking. She's
Okay, very
drinking.
good. Okay, let me write it for you. She isn't eating. She's drinking. Okay, it's just easy, right? What can you say? Now, next one, they're having breakfast. What about in here? What about in here, Lam? What is your answer here?
Uh, they have they all have breakfast. They're playing.
Okay, they aren't having breakfast. They are playing. Okay, now what about for three?
Hmm. Uh, he's talking. He on talking in on the phone.
Is it
He's
he aren't,
listening.
Lam?
He isn't talking in the phone. He's uh listening to the music.
Okay, very good. What about for four?
Uh,
What is your answer for four?
uh, they aren't jamming. They're swimming.
Very good, Lam. What about for five?
He is. He's aren't.
He's aren't?
He's sitting. He's standing.
Okay, yes, very good. He is standing. Last one.